We're going to be learning how to make oatmeal cookies from this cookbook. This cookbook was given to me by Miss Celeste. Again, we're going to be baking oatmeal cookies. My special name for the oatmeal cookies is Good Kid Cookies. The first instruction is to heat the oven to 375 degrees. Start off by washing your hands before baking. Okay. Then make sure your apron is right on tight. My ingredients here are oatmeal, eggs, ground cinnamon, butter, flour, and sugar. My tools here are a spatula and a whisk and measuring cups. This one is 1/4 measuring cup, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and a 3/4 measuring cup. Then a bowl. And let's get started. We need 1/4 of the flour. Then 1/4 of the oatmeal. And then in the large bowl, we cream together butter, three-fourths of the white sugar, three-fourths teaspoon of the ground cinnamon, 2 eggs, and then we whisk it. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of the milk. Then whisk it. Whisk and mix until it's fluffy. Now we're ready to put it into the greased cookie sheets. Now it's ready to go in the oven.